This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Milord, I am for the 53 and 254, Milord. I am for the petition compliance report.
Compliance.
The meeting
What
has
has
been,
been done?
cabinet meeting has been.
I mean, filing the compliance report has served upon all. But I have gone through this. But yes, if your lordship, kindly once, Milord, for my satisfaction, because of your lordships, Milord, so much of Milord effort, Milord, today we have here. If your lordship takes up 19th September order of your lordships.
Yes.
19th September 2024.
What is there?
Your lordship has made it clear that from the date of actual appointment in this, Milord, the regular, they will issue the PPO. So far as regards the past service count is concerned, the cabinet will take the decision. Now, if your lordship kindly takes the
Let them
compliance.
show them the writ petition. Where is the prayers?
Wait.
Where is the
please
prayer
wait.
regarding this?
Please wait.
Paragraph 16.
Para 16 of my compliance report.
Para 16 says so.
Milord, Mr. Banerjee, Milord, is so much of hurry, Milord. May I place?
Yes.
Milord, para 16, what they have stated, the Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, such and such, communicated the Commissioner, Howrah Municipal Corporation, vide inter alia mentioning, Governor is hereby pleased to accord approval for counting of past service only 86 employee initially engaged under CUDP 3. This is of 86, Milord. CUDP 3 we have engaged. Since the respective date of their joining the regular and supernumerary post in Howrah Municipal Corporation.
Done.
The above memo was issued in concurrence with the Finance Department. So, Milord, as of today, they have agreed to count our previous service from the date of our initial appointment under CUPD 3. Is it the stand of the UD, Milord? If that be so, your lordship can dispose it.
I am unable to understand this sentence.
Yes, Milord. Kindly.
You engage these people from their initial engagement under CUDP 3, and at the same breath you say that they will, since the respective date of joining the regular supernumerary post. What does this mean? Both are contradictory to each other.
Milord, I will be nowhere.
Not contradictory. My humble submission.
What is it?
This is the in compliance of the essence of the order. Malad, kindly come.
What is the date? Give me the date. Principal Secretary, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, please say what does this line mean, because the court is unable to follow it. Which will be the date from which the service of the petitioners will be counted, whether it is from their engagement under CUDP or the regular posting in the municipal corporation, which is later than the engagement in CUDP.
That is from their joining on the regular post. From the date of their regular post. From date of joining the regular or supernumerary post in the HMC, ma'am.
That means you are not counting the engagement under CUDP 3.
No, ma'am.
Why have you mentioned that it will be counted initially engaged? See, the language is used. Governor is hereby pleased to accord approval for counting of past service of the 86 employees initially engaged under CUDP 3.
This is a scheme.
This is a scheme.
This is a scheme.
This was the project.
Yes.
Then, since the respective date of their joining.
That means those people who were engaged under CUDP 3, you accord the past service. And then where is the question of past service?
Yes.
Only one thing, Malad.
Milord, I am entitled.
Please do not make submission. The principal secretary is there. The court is trying to reason out what it is.
What is the prayer in the?
If the date of the joining, there was no there is no requirement of getting an order from the governor if you grant this pension from the regular date of joining. Where is the question of this obtaining approval from the governor?
They were joined they were engaged in the CUDP project that was very temporary and contractual. Later on, it was decided they will be engaged, they will be regularized only once there is a vacancy in the regular or supernumerary post. Whenever there is a vacancy in the regular and supernumerary post, they have been engaged, they have been regularized. Their service has been regularized.
What is going to happen? See, had they not been in the CUDP 3, I do not know whether you would have engaged them or regularized them in the regular post or not. That is not the issue. Issue is whether the past service benefit under CUDP 3 you are according or not.
No, it will not be accorded, ma'am.
It will not be accorded. Now you have accorded this benefit to some other employees, and there is finance department's resolution that you will give the benefit from the initial date of joining in the scheme CUDP 3. What will be your answer to this?
No,
You
no,
are
it has not been approved, ma'am. It has not been approved. Only those people who have been engaged and regularized from the date of joining the regular post, they have been considered. We have considered that. That's what the finance department has also given the consent on that.
So it is your case that you have not given benefit to any of the employees in the CUDP 3 scheme.
Yes. These 86 we have not given.
86 you have not given benefit. No, it's not matter of 86. Why will you give it to the others? And why will you not give it to these 86 people? Why this discrimination?
We don't have any such record, ma'am.
The records are here.
20 numbers admitted position.
There are 20 other employees.
No, these 20 cases never came to us.
Us means who else will it go to? It will go to the department. It cannot go to anybody else.
So it has not gone to us. We only this case came when these were referred to us from the DPPG, and then we made the scrutiny of the case, and that says we regularized those cases only from the date of their joining the regular post.
Right. There are, you please check your records. There are 20 other employees in whose favor you have granted the benefit of the past service when they were engaged under the CUDP.
My lord, department has not given any approval for those 20 people.
How are they getting the pension from the earlier date?
This case didn't come to us.
Maybe you were not there at that point of time, but the records will suggest that this has been done. The petitioners are alleging discrimination, which as a state you cannot do.
Not only
the petitioners have not come here.
Microphone. May I just hand over? Additional Chief Secretary Milord has submitted a report before this Honorable Court in connection with this Milord contempt proceeding itself.
When?
Milord, this was submitted before your Lordship on 11th of March 2025. Additional Chief Secretary Government of West Bengal. Kindly see paragraph 10.
What is there? Please read so that
10,
he
Milord,
can
I have another copy. If your Lordship,
no, I may have a copy here also.
Your Lordship has to search for it.
Prayer is from the entry in the
Mr.
corporation.
Banerjee, why are you?
They are dragging it, my lord.
No. What is troubling you? The corporation should not be troubled because the principal secretary is here.
We are also. They are our employees also.
These 20 people, they approached them.
And my lord, they have.
For some reason whatsoever, benefit has been granted to 20 and is denied to 86. Why this discrimination?
I think, Milord, it has been denied. This particular interpretation, if your Lordship once looks at this, paragraph 10, once your Lordship. I will not find that from your Lordship's brief also.
Yes, I can. You read out what is there. Let the others.
The paragraph 10. Paragraph 10. The additional Chief Secretary. What has been sent? What has been approved by the UD as well as Milord the Finance Department? Milord, may I read? In conformity thereof.
Yes.
The Finance Department has also issued fresh EO that is of 19 February 2025. Kindly read on, Milord, it's very important regarding counting of past service in respect of 86 employees, including retired employees, initially engaged under CUDP 3 since the respective date of their joining to the regular super. So, Milord, it's the interagnum period since the date of joining to the regular post.
But then are you aware as to whether actually the benefit has been given or not?
That 20 number of employees,
yes.
It is in respect of ours. This report is in respect of ours.
No, these languages. Who is going to come with? Mr. Banerjee, please do not make any submission.
The language is
Yes.
They are counting our past service since of date of joining of CUDP 3 to the date of our regularization.
Listen,
That
there
is not the language.
that is the
cabinet-
jugglery of words.
Yes.
Secretary is interpreting in a different way. You are interpreting in a different way. The corporation is interpreting in a different way. Thing is, you actually show me that these 20 people got the benefit from their first date of joining under the CUDP.
Yes, yes.
And you have been denied. So there is discrimination is very apparent. Please show so that the principal secretary also gets to know that this has happened. Which page?
কোন ডকুমেন্টটা বলছিস বল?
দাঁড়া ওরা বলুক, ওরা ডকুমেন্টটা বলুক।
কোন ডকুমেন্টটা বলছিস?
Supplementary.
Supplementary.
Your lordship takes up the supplementary.
This is not the document in the read petition, neither in the contempt.
But I'm just this is, my lord, the document, my lord, by virtue of which, my lord, the Howrah Municipal Corporation accepted service details of employees who are already enjoyed pensionary benefit considering the period of their initial appointment under CUDP 3. My lord, these are the list of employees.
Where is it disclosed?
কোন ডকুমেন্টটা বল?
My lord, this is, my lord, the corporation has handed over.
Yes, what is? What is it?
Is it between HMC and DPPG, that document?
Yes, yes, the PPO has been issued. The details of the 20 numbers of employees is being given. Lord, may I just hand it up? Lord, I will just give you.
Show it to your learned friend first. Where is it where is this document annexed?
That is not annexed with the read petition or either.
ডিটে কেন থাকবে?
ডিটেও থাকবে না, কন্টেম্পটেও থাকবে না।
হ্যাঁ, this has to come
Lord,
subsequent
47 and 46.
ডিটে নেই।
Yes, yes. Lord, it's 48, page 48.
of which document? Supplementary affidavit?
Supplementary affidavit affirmed on 15 January 2025.
On record is Shobhik Ghosh.
Yes, Shobhik Ghosh.
Yes, page number.
15 January is supplementary.
Lord, it's 46, 47 and 48. Lord, the chart is being, Lord.
There is a chart,
Yes.
but that is in is the top service details
Top
of employees.
Shubir Kumar Pramanik.
এখানে এত
Has your lordship got
পাতাই
it?
নেই।
No, this is a different chart, possibly. Sri Ajay Bhattacharya is mentioned over here. It's page 76.
Ajay Bhattacharya, yes. These, my lord, 20 numbers of Ajay Bhattacharya, your lordship takes it up. From the top, your lordship will give details, service
Yes,
details of the
20.
employee who are already enjoyed.
20 number of.
Yes, yes.
There is
And
a
the
chart
details
annexed to the supplementary affidavit. Please check.
সত্যি কথা?
And the date from which
And the PPO, my lord, number, everything.
initial appointment is 1/2/1986,
দিতে পারি না?
and they are getting the pensionary benefit from that date, right?
That it. Initial appointment.
Yes. Mr. Das, did you get that?
No.
Page 76 of the supplementary affidavit, there is a chart. 76, 77, 78.
The first name is Sri Ajay.
Yes. And see the column number 5. Column number 5 at the top.
Employment exchange, newspaper publication, diary journal.
Left hand side, date and mode of initial appointment under CUDP 3. You see 1/2/1986.
Not available in the service file.
Not available in the service file.
One.
Scale of pay, such and such. Regularization in 2008. And they are getting the benefit from the initial date of joining. See column 12, extreme right. Getting pension considering initial date of joining under CUDP 3.
Yes, PPO number such and such after retirement.
All 20 of them. So why will these people be discriminated? It's not 1 and 2.
And I believe, my lord, these things has not been placed properly before the cabinet.
No,
Cabinet
no,
is
no.
also-
No.
That is not. Date of absorption was 92. Date of initial appointment was 90. In
কোন chart?
এইটা আবার কোন chart
এইটাই তো,
বলছো?
এই একই চার্ট মানে আছে
একই
ওইটাই।
chart নয় এটা।
ওইটাই তো আছে।
এটা
দেখেন দেখেন আমাকে দেখেন।
প্রথমটা অজয় ভট্টাচার্য।
It must be there in the supplementary affidavit of your record.
I'm seeing from that part.
এটা তোমার।
Principal Secretary, sir, there
Ma'am.
is supplementary affidavit which has been affirmed on behalf of the petitioners. Right? At page 76, 77, and 78, there is a chart which is prepared by the Howrah Municipal Corporation and it is signed by the Deputy Commissioner and there are several other signatories. If the document is there in front of you, then it will be nice. Otherwise, you please check up. It contains the service details of the employees who are enjoying the pensionary benefit considering their period of initial appointment under CUDP 3. And there are 20 of them, not 1 and 2. And the date of initial appointment is 1986, same as that of the petitioners. If 20 people can be granted this benefit, why will the rest not be granted?
Okay, ma'am.
And my lord, for my regularized, from the date of my regularization, there is
You'll
no
get it
need.
automatically.
It's automatic, my lord. Why they have
Obviously.
shown this that this is pending before the cabinet? That's why we waited. And after this, my lord, they are saying that no.
That means cabinet has refused your prayer, but the reason for refusal is not clear.
Even
and-
cabinet decision is not also before your lordship.
এটা বলতে লেগে যাবে।
They have communicated something which is not the cabinet decision before your lordship.
How does
I do
this
not
say?
know. না বাবা ক্যাবিনেট ডিসিশন তো দেয়নি হচ্ছে আমি যেই বলছি ইন্টারনাল কমিউনিকেশন
I will like to have an answer from you. There is a document that has been placed in court today.
না না না।
This is a report which is signed by you,
Yes.
14th of August, which includes the communication dated 13th of August by the Senior Special Secretary to the Howrah Municipal Corporation.
then we know what past service they are counting.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the question of counting past service? See the communication 13th August that you have annexed. The governor is hereby pleased to accord approval for counting of past service. You are not counting past service at all. You are counting from their regular dates of appointment.
Yes,
Had the cabinet meeting was not required to be convened if the regular service pension is required to be given. It is only for counting the past service that the cabinet meeting was required. Is it?
When the finance department issued its concurrence, they had written that it is subject to the approval of the cabinet. That's why the proposal was placed to cabinet and it was passed on 12th of August. And it has been confirmed that the counting of the service will be from their engagement in the joining of the in the regular post.
That
supplementary
means
post.
you are not counting the past service.
Yes, ma'am.
The query of the court is you have granted this benefit to 20 others. The papers are here before the court. Please check up and revert. Maybe you
Court may
were
kindly
not
like to
there.
appreciate that this never came to us. We are not aware on the how the 20 people given by they have been regularized from the date of their initial joining in the CUDP project.
Right.
Only
That
this
means-
question came when these cases were referred to the DPG and DPG referred to us for our concurrence. Then we made the scrutiny and then all the case happened, ma'am.
That means the scrutiny was not done properly. Otherwise, this document ought not to have been missed.
We would like to have a look on that, ma'am.
Please do. And
But initial, ma'am, regarding this, your initial order dated 11/10/2003, that we have already complied. There is no non-compliance on that. Whatever you had ordered in that initial these things, ma'am, we have already complied, ma'am.
And 11/7/24 also, my lord. My lord looks at the order.
Sir, if you try to wriggle out, the court is not leaving you. I want a positive answer as to why this discrimination has taken place. I am adjourning the matter for the day. Please come. A report by the Principal Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Department of UD and MA. Signed on 14th August 25 is placed before the court. Stop. It appears therefrom that the prayer of the petitioners for counting their past service from their initial engagement under CUDP 3 has been disapproved. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner has drawn attention of the court where counting of past service was accorded in respect of 20 employees from their date of joining under CUDP 3 in the year 1986. Stop. The Principal Secretary, who is virtually present, submits that he was not aware of the earlier grant in respect of the 20 employees. Stop. It appears that the petitioners have been discriminated. Stop. The Principal Secretary is directed to revert with further instruction upon verification of all documents. Next. Released 4th of September. 3 weeks time, it should be good enough for you all to go through the papers and revert. An updated report shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date. The Principal Secretary is directed to remain virtually present on 4th September. Same order in 200, 54, 253 and 254. And he is virtually present. Please record that.